What is up, guys? Today is the day. The Del Sol is finally getting an exhaust put on. I've swapped in the B18, and since then it's just been an open header with a dump pipe out the side over here, and I'm just tired of getting killed by the fumes. It's time to get a real exhaust put on. So we're headed to Apex to pick up a 8-foot stick of 2 1/4 inch piping, and I have a Vibrant resonator and a eBay muffler that's got some pretty sweet tips. Let's go ahead and head on to Apex, and I'll show you guys what we've got. Can't wait, let's go. Yeah, guys, on the way to Apex, headed to Advanced Auto Parts. God, this thing needs a muffler bad. Yeah. Oh yeah.
How you like that new camera?
What up, Katie?
What up?
Gotta say what's up, my boy. What up? We at Advance. Here to pick up a exhaust stick. We can get my exhaust done on the Del Sol. Yeah. We are here at Advance. Who's working? Henry. Oh God.
I know.
What's up, Henry?
What's up?
How are you, bud?
Tired.
I'm here to get some exhaust tubing. All right, we got our 8-foot pole from Advance. Let's go ahead and head to Joe's. This might be a problem. Let's try to not tear the car up. Maybe it'll go. Oh yeah. Oh, that'll work. That'll work. Maybe we'll put the seatbelt on too. Just make sure it won't go anywhere. All right. You're safe now, little buddy. What is it? White people can't strap anything down without saying that's not going anywhere. Oh yeah. We're ready. Let's get it. Alright guys, we are now here at Joe's Garage. He's got a really nice setup here. He's kind of known around Apex for being the best. Honest work, good work, fix it right the first time. He's a good friend of mine, and he was willing to help me out with the Del Sol. Let's go see what he's doing. Joe, where you at? Let's go find him. Looking for Joe, I found this guy. Nice. Man, this thing's fun. Is it a stick? Yes, it is. Well, we're going to be putting this bad boy to use here in a minute. And we could just find Joe. Are you in your office, bud? No. You're not. Joe! You dicking around. Oh, we got another nice classic. Yeah, he works on everything. Seriously. Joe is the man. I'm telling you guys. There's the madman. Oh yeah. Look at this thing. What's up, Joe?
All up in this piece. You know, it's so nice having an RV place right up the road.
I was just saying a lot of nice things about you, man.
Why? Why would you do something like
You're just
that?
known in Apex for being the go-to guy. Does good work.
I don't know, man. That's
We're gonna see how that pans out.
yeah. That's like kind of battles me with some untenable expectations.
Angry Bug. What's up with the Angry Bug again? You got a 944.
914. Well, basically it's 914 based engine and 914 transaxle. Had to take the differential and flip it over so I didn't have 5 speeds in reverse. And 944S brakes, 944 S rear torsion bars, 951 rear control arms, 944 strut cartridges, Bilsteins all around.
What's up with the dash?
That came from Kirscher Tuning in Germany.
Wow.
Yeah, so it's got 911, let's see, 911 clock, 911 fuel gauge, 914 tack, 914 speedometer, 912E fuel gauge.
What about the seats?
They came out of a 944.
This thing's nice.
Yeah. And the shifter's out of a 914.
Well, we heard you coming.
Yep. She loud like that.
What'd you do to the engine again?
Let's see.
It's gone.
Yeah, it's gone. Yeah.
What?
I mean, it's hamster power.
Wow.
It's like that. No, let's see. It's 96 millimeter bore, 80. Let me think about this. 78.4 millimeter stroke. So it's a 2270. Got a pair of Del Ordo 2 barrels from I think is an Alpha, one of those horizontally opposed Alphas. And let's see, the camshaft is a webcam 16386B with 300 degrees on the exhaust, I think 284 on the intake, half-inch of lift on both sets of loads.
Wow.
LN Engineering Nicosil cylinders, LN Engineering ceramic lifters. Let's see, what else?
How much horsepower do you think?
Probably 150.
Wow.
Yeah.
That's
I mean,
a
for a
lot.
1900 pound car.
I was going to say, that's a lot for how small this car is.
Yeah.
Well, thanks for sharing it with me, dude.
Yeah.
All right, guys, we're going with a Vibrant bottle style resonator and a Godsnow dual 3-inch tip burnt finish. Should look pretty good. Alright, Joe's got everything welded up. We're now about to put some hangers on it. We've got our Vibrant resonator. Looking good. Oh. Wow, 6'4" does fit in a Del Sol.
Indeed.
You look good in that. Go drive up and down the road. We just left Joe's. Let's give it a test drive. Sounds good. Woo! Much better. Much better.